so today we are going to make some clothes for this little booger right here. His name is Simba. He is a corgi and he is almost 3 years old in August. This boy is a little feisty booger, right, Simba? Kicking me. I know. Good boy. Yeah, I know summertime is coming. You probably don't even want to wear any clothes on. Simba, say hi. Oh, okay. Simba, say hi. Simba, say hi. Hi, Simba. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Simba. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Okay, calm down. Come on. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab your furry friend's little shirt and you're going to trace out the pattern. And add seam allowance. Alright, cool. So here are my pattern pieces. So it should look something like this. And I already made this previously, so I'm not going to redraft this in any way. But if you guys would like a more detailed version of drafting out a pattern piece, just let me know in the comments below and I will try to make a separate video to see who's interested in learning more about pattern making. But if not, we're gonna go ahead and move on. And so this is now the top and this is the underbelly. And I went ahead and added seam allowance to each of the edges and neckline. Okay, so what I'm doing here is laying out the gym short. Actually, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and seam rip the whole entire waistband. All right. I hate doing this. This is like the worst part ever. Seam ripping. Now my piece would fit here nicely. But first I'm going to cut out the lining piece. I basically ripped it in half, but it's fine. What I'm gonna do is take my piece so now I have one piece, taking the other side, taking one piece, I'm going to lay it out and look at the grain line, so don't cut it at a certain way. You just want to make sure it's nicely lined up with the grain line. Instead of a round neck, I'm going to make it into a little V-neck at the back. So what I'm going to do is fold this back in half. And then what I'm going to do is kind of pivot from 0 to 1. And what you're going to do is take the remaining of the fabric and I'm just going to cut some binding. I'm going to go ahead and take a pen and draw one. So here I'm measuring 2.5 inches up and I'm cutting 2 pieces. And now you should have a front piece, a back piece, and some binding. And now we're going to attach the binding to the neckline. And what you're going to do is lay them inside out sew this closed here, and then take the sides here and sew this closed. And then take this side along with the shoulder seam over here and stitch this closed, and then do the same for this corner.
So now it should look something like this. And what you're gonna do is take your neck binding, and I cut this in half so I could then later reattach it together when I start pinning.
Okay, so I went ahead and pinned this to the neckline, and since it was too short to reach all the way, I'm going to sew it where the shoulder seam is with another piece that will connect together. So go ahead and stitch these together and then sew around. Now it should look something like this. And then, so what you're gonna do is flip it this way, and then I'm gonna go ahead and overlock the whole entire bottom and overlock the whole entire sleeve. And then what I'm going to do is then fold over after overlocking and just top stitch around, and for the hem.